So you have 90 seconds to get that invite for the next meeting. Think you can pull it off? Now, here are my 5 tips on nailing that elevator pitch. 1. Be in control of your body language. Keep a steady eye contact and a firm handshake. Let them know you're confident of your idea. 2. Introduce yourself in 30 seconds. Pick short and not cliche phrases and describe your personality and background. 3. Connect to them. Be it a previous investment or their personal hobby, catch their attention by customizing to their interests. 4. Ask what you need. Close your pitch with a definite ask for them, either a meeting or a visiting card, and don't forget to thank them. 5. Practice. Look into the mirror and practice. You never know whom you might be sharing the elevator with next. There are many more, but that was my top 5.